This bird is the ultimate perfectionist. He spends hours scrubbing the forest floor because for him, a single leaf out of place is a total disaster. The stage is set. The floor is spotless. But there's one massive problem. He's performing to an empty room. So he screams for attention. Look at this. He literally turns into a rhythmic UFO. This isn't just a dance. It's a high-stakes evolution test where every move counts. The judges have arrived. One wrong step now, and all those hours of cleaning go straight to the trash. It's the most brutal audition in nature. And just like that, she says no. Proof that in the wild, you can do everything perfectly and still go home alone. Better luck next time, buddy.